Hey guys, hold on. Yeah, hey guys, so today we are playing Bloxburg. Since like a week ago, I don't know, 2 weeks ago, I don't know, but it was recent. They came out with like a 4th of July update, so yeah, and I kind of updated my house for it, so let's wait for it to load. Okay. So I moved some things around. There's like a vine here, a vent here. Okay, yeah, this is from the other update. Nothing really new here, but we have like some vines here and a vent here. That's it. Wait, what is that? Oh, that's cool. Okay, time to go inside. And I cooked corn on the cob because it's new. And look, it's so cool. Sorry if you hear background noise. Anyway, this is the backyard. So I added some new stuff. I added a grill here. I added the didn't mean to do that. Slip and slide water balloons, fireworks, playground set, a shovel, whatever this is, a kite, like a little plant here, a bird statue, and all of my vehicles for outside here, like bikes, lawnmowers, and a scooter. This is like a hose. This is like kind of a pool. I couldn't make it too deep because it costed a lot of money, and I'm not that rich. So, anyway, yeah, that's it for this house. But oh yeah, also that I want to show you. If you didn't see my hide and seek house, go and check it out. Search up Quinny Hey Hey Hide and Seek House Bloxburg or Bloxburg Hide and Seek House. I don't know. But yeah. Okay, let's go to LiQWYD house. And yeah, it looks pretty cool from the outside. I'm still working on it. As you can see, I do not have much money at the time. So let's go in. And I'm still figuring out on what the rooms are going to be, and I'm still decorating. I'll probably, oh yeah, here's like a little pool room. I'll add some stuff here, and there's a clear roof, by the way. Yeah, Hey Hey Quinny YT, or Hey Hey Quinny. She basically made this house. It was a hide and seek house, but you know, I'm just gonna make it like a little like cheap mansion stuff. Anyway, let's go upstairs. This took me a lot of time to do the upstairs. See, it looks good. But I need to add a rail so nobody falls down. So, I don't know what this really is. This will probably be like a bedroom or a really, really, really big bathroom. This bedroom. And the last room, let's see how big it is. You know, this could be a bathroom, but it might be like 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom up here. But I don't know if I'm gonna put any bedrooms down here. I'll probably keep all the bedrooms upstairs. I don't know yet. But yeah, that's it for now. But actually, I'm just gonna build right now, so I'm gonna stop and then record with no sound, and you'll be hearing some music. See ya. I need to stop it.